Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today I have with me the brand new smartphone in the Nazo series, the Nazo 30A. Now this is the most affordable offering in the series, so let's go ahead and take our first look at it. Now if you're new here, be sure you are subscribed to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that you're the first to know whenever we upload a new video. So this is what the box of the Nazo 30A looks like. Bright blue box. Now Realme has been shipping yellow boxes, but it looks like everything's changed with the 30A. The box does mention some key specifications, so let's take a look at it. You get a 6000 mAh battery with 18 watt quick charging, a 6.5-inch display, a Helio G85 processor, and a 13 megapixel dual camera setup. So let's go ahead, unbox this device and take our first look. First thing you see is the SIM eject pin. Take a look at the phone now. So here it is. This is the Nazo 30A in laser blue. Now there are two colors available, laser blue and laser black. I've got the blue color variant. Quickly power it on. As you can see, big 6.5-inch HD plus display with a tiny dewdrop notch, and the selfie camera here is an 8 megapixel selfie camera. While the phone loads up, I'll just keep it aside and check what else you get in the box. And this here is the 18 watt adapter that you get in it. So this is the USB Type-C cable that you get in the box. So let's set this aside and take our look at the Nazo 30A. As you see, this has dual band Wi-Fi, so it is detecting 5 GHz Wi-Fi band as well. As you can see, the phone is slightly thick because it packs in a 6000 mAh battery. This is the SIM tray slot on the left. So the power and the volume buttons are to the right of the device, and as you can see, while I'm holding the device, my thumb rests naturally on the power button. The volume buttons are right above it and are easy to reach. Not much of an issue there. When I turn the phone over, as you can see, it's got a split design. It's got slanting lines here which reflect light very well. And at the top is the dual camera setup. Now take a closer look at the camera. It's a dual camera setup only, so these are the two camera sensors, and this just mentions AI. It looks like a triple camera setup from far away, but it is a dual camera only. So you get a 13 megapixel primary camera, and this one is a black and white portrait sensor. Now let's take a look at the ports while the smartphone is setting up. You've got the USB Type-C port at the bottom, the primary microphone. This is the 3.5mm audio jack, and this is the loudspeaker. Whereas at the top, you've got absolutely no ports. It's a clean look there. Now let's talk about the processor on this device. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85, and you have two variants of the Nazo 30A. The base variant offers 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, whereas the higher variant offers you 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Let's add a fingerprint check. It's very easy to enroll the fingerprint. So this is Realme UI. Let's take a look. So as you can see, the UI is, well, it does look like it's inspired from the Google launcher. And you do have some pre-installed apps. So you've got Snapchat, you've got Realme Link, you've got Hate app, YouTube. This looks like a theme store app. This Google Pay pre-installed. You've got Hey Fun, the Realme Community app, and along with that you've also got Amazon pre-installed on it. Facebook as well. So you do get a fair amount of pre-installed bloatware. Now, if these are spammy or no, I think that I'll reserve my judgment till I review the smartphone. So let's go ahead, take a look at the version of Android it is running. Quickly hop into About Phone. So Realme 38. I've got the 4GB RAM version with me, which has 64GB of storage, but I have 49.9GB to use. So it is running Android 10 currently with the Jan security patch. It's fairly recent, though I am expecting it to get an update to the Feb security patch. Let's quickly check if it's available. Looks like Jan is the latest version of Android security at the moment. So the phone feels good in the hand, and the pricing is, well, here's the price. Let me know what do you think about it, and what do you think about the Realme 38. Do put that in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. So that was your first look at the Narzo 38. Now, what do you think about the smartphone? Do let me know that in the comments down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.